Best Automatic Needle Threader Review. In this video, we will share with you one of the most popular needle threading tools in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval, and we will show you some of the quick features of what makes this needle threading tool so easy to use. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo clip of how you can thread a needle within seconds. The one that made our list is the Crystal Box Automatic Needle Threader. As you'll see in the demo clip later, this needle threading tool is so easy to use, regardless if you're 8 or 80. This high-quality, durable needle threader works with most needles and takes just seconds to get a thread through. It comes with a ring holder on one end, so you can easily hook it on to bags or travel pouches. It is functional, versatile, and portable, so you can bring it anywhere or store it in your drawer because it doesn't take up much space at all. To check out the full specs of the Crystal Box Automatic Needle Threader and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/needle threading tool. Here's a quick demo clip of how easy it is to use this automatic needle threader. So there you have it, the Crystal Box Automatic Needle Threader. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the body, and the overall functionality, we feel that this automatic needle threader is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Crystal Box Automatic Needle Threader and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/needle threading tool. Alright, thank you for watching.